Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to tell you about passive voice. How about understanding passive voice? So passive voice may be like friend with active voice, that is passive and active. That's I mean like friend because together. So I want to tell you about passive voice. Okay, for the first, it's okay. The first introduction, passive voice. Definition of passive voice is a grammatical structure where the object of an action becomes the focus, shifting attention away from the door. In passive constructions, the action happens to the subject. Example by the room is cleaned by Sarah. So to that, conversion with active voice. In active voice, the door is emphasized. Sarah cleans the room. Conversely, in passive voice, the action impact on the object takes precedence. As seen, the room is cleaned by Sarah. This shift alters the narrative focus significantly. Like Sarah cleans the room. It's like simple present. But if the room is cleaned by Sarah, like the room has cleaned. So Sarah has to do that 5 minutes ago, 1 minute ago, like that. So we can say the room is cleaned by Sarah. If active voice, Sarah still do it the action. Sarah cleans the room. Like that. So structure of passive voice. Passive voice formula. The passive voice follows a specific formula. Object to be, verb 3 by plus subject. And this formula emphasizes the action and the objects of the sentence, often omitting the door when it is unknown or unimportant. There is object. Object is like the book, the glass, you know that. So to be is like am, is, are. So was, where. We want to explain that after this. In the next slide. Okay, example of passive construction. Consider these examples to illustrate the passive voice. A letter is written by her, demonstrates the present simple. A movie was watched by him, showcase the past simple. So number 3, a house has been built. Examples for present perfect. So if for present simple, there is object, so verb 3, and the passive is like am, is, are, like that. But it's past simple, the passive is was and were. But if present perfect, it's like has and have. But we must give again the been. Has been, have been, like that. So, and the next slides, there's tense compression. This is present simple tense. I have said you before. In the present simple passive voice, the structure is, am, are, and past participle. For example, a letter is written by her. Indicates the action is happening currently, focusing on the object rather than the door. Like that. So, past simple tense is the past simple passive voice follows the formula was, were. passive participle. An example is like a movie was watched by him. So there is an object. So the passive is was because a movie. So watched is the verb 3 because this is past. And the by him. Okay, like that. So there is present perfect tense. In the present perfect passive voice, the construction is has or have been, has been, have been, I mean like up to you. So past participle for instance, a house has been built. Highlights action complete at some indefinite point in the past, focusing on the object. A house has been built. The focusing on the object. Okay, the object is a house. Future simple tense. Future simple tense passive voice user the formula will be and past participle. For example, the car will be fixed. In place of future action aimed at the object reader, then identifying the door, indicating anticipation or certainty. I mean like the car will be fixed. The car want to be fixed after that, like that. So usage of passive voice. When the door is unknown, passive voice is ideal when the identity of the door is not known. For instance, the window was broken. Does not specify who caused the damage, shifting the focus to the event rather than the actor. I mean like we don't know who the subject do that. So we can say like the window was broken, the door was closed, the table was broken. I mean like we didn't know if like who the do it the action that like that. You can say that without the subject. Without like if the we know the windows was broken by her, like that. By Sarah, by Nisa, or by anything do that. So when the door is unimportant, in some instance the door is irrelevant to the message. For example, the cake was made. Exercise the cake itself, shifting attention away from the baker. Highlighting the result rather than the actor's identity. We don't know, like, just say cake. The cake was made, not by baker, by Sarah Baker. I don't know. I don't know how to do that. Just say the cake was made. The noodle was made. I mean like that. Because when the door is unimportant. So focusing on the result or object. Passive construction effectively spotlight the result or object of an action. For instance, the homework was submitted. Underscores the completion of the task rather than who submitted, allowing the listener to understand the significance of the action. So, quick tips for using passive voice. Utilize the participle from of verbs and align the to be verb with the correct tense. Omission of by can simplify sentence when the door is unimportant, ensuring clarity while maintaining focus on the object. Compositional style is classical from with new emotion, often broke formulas. So, like that. So maybe that's enough for explain about understanding passive voice. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. I hope you understand what I explained to you. But I mean like for you can listening and thank you to spend your time for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share. And thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.